everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we will learn mathematics about arithmetic sequence. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Putu Nesya Pundiwanti, you can call me Nesya. I'm from class 4B Mathematics Education with my identity number is 2113011-029. Now, in this video, we will learn about some materials. There are the arithmetic sequence concept, how to find the nth term, how to use the formula for an arithmetic sequence, and how to solve problems using arithmetics. Okay, first, we will learn about arithmetic sequence concept. Have you ever heard about arithmetic sequences? In mathematics, a list of numbers is known as a sequence. Sequences are often defined according to some rules that determine which number will appear in the list. A sample example of such a rule is an arithmetic progression, where the next number in the list is found by adding a fixed value to the previous number. The result is known as an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence can be used to describe quantities which grow at a fixed rate. Let's learn together. If we take the example, we grow a plant, we take care of the plant so that every week we always observe the high growth of the plant. In the first week, the plant grows and has a height of 3 centimeters. The plant has increased to 8 centimeters in height for the second week, and because it thrives, the plant grows to 13 centimeters in height in the third week. In the fourth week, what is the height of the plant? So, let's pay attention. The increase in plant height from the first week to the second week is 5 centimeters. And from the second week to the third week, the increase is the same, which is 5 centimeters, and so on. So, every week, the height of the plant increases by 5 centimeters. Now, here is an arithmetic sequence. So, what is an arithmetic sequence? An arithmetic sequence is a sequence that has a constant difference between terms. So, from the plant growth problem, we can write it as an arithmetic sequence that is 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on, with a constant difference is 5. An arithmetic sequence can be known as an arithmetic progression. The difference between consecutive terms in an arithmetic sequence is always the same. If we add or subtract by the same number each time to make the sequence, it is an arithmetic sequence. So the point is the common difference must be an addition or subtraction constant, and it can be used to predict future numbers pattern. Let's see another example of an arithmetic sequence. The first example is 4, 7, 10, 13. The common difference in this problem is positive 3. Based on this information, we can say that the following 3 terms will be 16, 19, and 22. The second example is negative 1, negative 5, negative 9, and so on. The common difference in this pattern is negative 4. Based on this information, we can say that the following 3 terms will be negative 13, negative 17, and negative 21. Awesome! Next, we will learn about how to find the nth term. If you want to find a term in an arithmetic sequence that is far into the pattern, we have to use formula. So the formula is structured in a way that would look linear. So arithmetic would start with a number. Let's refer this number as A for now. In this case, there is a set amount of difference that is always being added on. whether the number is negative or positive, we can refer to this number as the common difference, and we will denote it as D. This means that our second term would be A plus D. Now from here, our third term would be A plus D, and our fourth would be just be an addition of D one more time, giving us A plus D and plus D. And notice that we can simplify this. This here can be simplified to A plus 2D, and this can be simplified down to A plus 3D. But if we look at this number here, it seems to always be trailing behind by 1 from the term number we are on. So from here we got the formula. So the formula for this arithmetic sequence is an equals to a1 plus n minus 1d, where an is the answer term you are looking for in the sequence, a1 is the first term in the sequence, and n is the ordinal number term you are looking for in the sequence, and d is the common difference. And for your information, arithmetic sequences are also known as linear sequences. If we represented an arithmetic sequence on a graph, it would form a straight line as it goes up or down by the same amount each time. Here linear means straight. Okay, next we will learn how to use the formula for an arithmetic sequence. Okay, now we will try to use the formula of an arithmetic sequence. So let's put our formula to the test and try example with same numbers. If we had a sequence like this, we would first realize that our first term is 3, which is the A in this formula. Then we would realize that the difference between each term is also 5, making the our common difference, which is represented as D in this formula. So if we wanted to solve for the 46th term, all we would have to do is plug 5 into the ends to get the following. And if we simplify this, we find out that the 46th term is equal to 228. We have found the answer. Next, we will learn how to solve problems using arithmetics. What kind of problem can be solved using the arithmetic formula? Let's see an example of this. As you can see, there is a problem. In a classroom, chairs are arranged in the first row has 12 seats, the second row has 14 seats, and the third row has 16 seats. So the number of seats in the 7th row is, to answer this problem, we can use the arithmetic formula. First, you got information that the first term is 12, and to find the common difference, you must take two consecutive terms from sequence. Here, we will take the number 12 and 14, then subtract the first term from the next term to find the common difference. So we get 14 minus 12 is 2. Then we can use the formula to find the 7th term. As you can see, by using arithmetic formula, we find out that the 7th term is equal to 228. So, the number of seats in the 7th row is 24. Good, we have found the answer. Okay, that's all about arithmetic sequence. I hope you understand the concept, the example, and the use of the arithmetic sequence. See you and thank you.